welcome to AD Vlogs. This video will be about installation of Zana backrest, top rack and saddle stay on my Domina 2019. So these are the contents of the package. This is the top rack. Here it is. I will unpack it soon. Next comes the saddle stay, this one, and lastly this is the backrest. This is the backrest. This is the saddle stay package, left, right. This one will run across between the saddle stays on both sides. These are holders from the point where the grab rail, stock grab rail mounts. This is the backrest setup, Domina 2019, and these are the screws. This is for the saddle stay, backrest and top rack, and this one is for the saddle stay. These are the two sets of nuts and bolts that Zana has provided. So let's now begin with the installation. Now, before installing the top rack, you have to remove these two screws here, this one and this one. This you will find this on the underside of the rear fender. I'll show you how. So to remove these two nuts, you can use this 10 mm this spanner like this. Now after removing this, you will find this washer here, this washer, plastic. Retain this washer. I will show you later on what to do with this. So these are the sets of nuts and bolts that Zana has provided along with the top rack. Now you have to choose these two long bolts and these two small spacers, these ones. Earlier I had advised you to retain these two washers that you have removed from the stock nuts when you remove those. What you have to do is use these washers on the other side. So this is how I will go in. You see these extensions here, they will face the engine on both sides. Okay, this part it will go towards the fender, and this curve, the inside of this curve will face the tire. That's how it will go in. So this is how this setup is supposed to be fixed, and now I will tighten the screws. And while tightening, make sure that you do not tighten one screw or one nut completely at a time, and you just gradually tighten a little bit of both simultaneously. A little bit of both simultaneously. That's how you are supposed to tighten this. Next, what you have to do is open the rear seat, remove these two nuts using a 4 mm Allen key, and then remove these two here and two here, these 4 nuts using a 6 mm Allen key. So now with this 6 nuts removed, the rear grab rails are removed. So this is how the top rack will set up now on the mounting points of the stock grab rails. Zana provides these four rubber bushes. What you have to do is just put in this here, slot this inside, like this, and then you use this set of four nuts and washers to fix the top rack. And there are two more sets of nuts and screws. These two, this will go in here, this joint, this will hold this part, this one I'll show you later. Now there is one more thing that I would like to show you here. If you do not order this top rack, you order only the saddle stay, then Zana will give you this part. See, this is identical to this thing, exact same. So now since I have ordered both, I have this one which is welded with the top rack, and I also got this. So if I later on prefer to not use this top rack and only the saddle stay, then I will remove this setup and put in this thing here. And if I use only the saddle stay and not the top rack, then this thing can be fitted along with the grab rails. Instead of this particular rubber bushes, the grab rail will sit under this. So that's how you can use the saddle stay along with the grab rails, stock grab rails. So the installation of the top rack is complete. I will now mount the backrest. To mount the backrest, Zana provides this set of bolt, washer, rubber bush. The nut is welded on the underside of this top rack. Here it is, the nut, it is welded. So the setup will be like this. First you put in the washer, then the bolt, and in between the backrest and the top rack platform you put in this rubber bush to minimize chances of vibration. So the installation of the backrest and top rack setup is now complete. We will now move on to the installation of the saddle stay in the next part of the video. And now we will move on to installation of the saddle stay. I'll show only one side and it will be the same for both the sides. Now this is the set of nuts, bolts, washers, rubber bushes that Zana will send you for installation of the saddle stay. Now these rubber bushes, I will not need these rubber bushes because I have already installed the top rack and backrest. In case you do not order the top rack and backrest, in that case you will need these four. So for me these are extra. Zana have sent me this bracket too. This bracket I have already shown you is identical to the one that is there already attached with the top rack setup. So I will not need this too. These bushes would have gone under this, like this, in case I had not installed the top rack. These long bolts that you see, these are for installation of the mounting this bracket in the slots where the original stock grab rail was mounted. So I do not need these four too. What I will need are these small bolts, these four. They will go in here, this part, which will mount on the saddle stay top rack bracket, and these will hold this part here, and it will mount in this part. Okay, so now let me show you how to set up these nuts and bolts. Here in this case I prefer to use this bush in between. this washer and the part of the bike, because according to me that minimizes chances of vibration that may arise. So the first you put in the bush, then the washer, and then the bolt, and here the washer and then the nut. Now at this point, same thing, the bush will be in between the two connecting metal parts, because so as to minimize chances of vibration. So first you put in the bush, then the washer, then the bolt, and then the nut here. And in this case you do not have a nut, because the nut is welded on the inside, this part. Same on this side. And so I will now tighten the bolts and the installation will be complete. So I hope you like the video, and if you like it, to share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get updates on the new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.